everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're on our way to Piketberg, to Kleine Paradys.
The Swartland is known for its stunning landscapes, especially when the canola fields are in bloom. The bright yellow flowers creates a beautiful contrast against the surrounding green fields. It's amazing how rain can transform the landscape so dramatically. Kleine Paradys is a mere 130 kilometers from Cape Town, and most of that will be a good tar road. Just outside of Bergriver, you will turn onto a fairly good gravel road. Then you can just follow the signposts until you reach the camp. After signing in at reception, we made our way to our campsite. There are designated campsites available for guests with pets. We were to camp at campsite number 2. All the campsites are situated along the Bergriver. The views of the river are just exquisite, and it is ideal for kayaking. You can rent kayaks from the office. Campsite 2 is quite a big campsite, and you can easily fit 3 camping trailers on there. At campsite 2 we camped on a grassy area, while on another occasion we stayed at campsite 8 where the site was paved. Most of the campsites are shaded by large trees, while others have shade provided by shade nets. During our stay, they were in the process of replacing some of the shade nets. Each campsite has their own private ablution facility. On the outside, you will find a zinc. There's also a grey water tap and a drinking water tap. There are quite a few 3-point electricity outlets on the campsite. On the inside of the facility, you will find a flush toilet, a basin with hot water, and a hot water shower. Remember to bring your own toilet paper. There are dustbins for recycling and normal rubbish. On our campsite was a built-in braai with a beautiful view of the river, but there was also a braai drum that we could move around to wherever we wanted it. There are all sorts of different camping areas available, and do visit the website to see which one would suit your needs. We enjoyed strolling around the camp, taking in the natural beauty and the serene views of the river. It's an easy walk to the shop, which is fairly well stocked with all the basic necessities. There are 3 pools on the campsite, and this one is a heated pool, mostly for the use of adults. Kids can have a blast in the expansive play area, which is set on a grassy surface. It features a doll's house, swings, pipe cars, and much more. There's even a putt course for added fun. This is a second heated indoor pool. You'll receive a key to access it. This beautiful entertainment area can be used for bigger functions. This is the third pool, an open air option where kids can have a great time enjoying themselves. After a long day, we could lit the fire and prepare for our supper. Artie, what are we having for supper tonight?
Tonight is both favorites, pork society, barbecue basted pork society, and a nice matured sirloin steak.
Sava had an early night and we had to negotiate to get our bed back and persuade her to sleep on her own bed. What is nice about the campsite is that it's completely fenced in and kids and pets can't get to the river or they can't bother the neighbors. Today we're making some cheese piranhas, mushrooms and leftover steak, and just now I'm also going to make some scrambled eggs. That will be our brunch for today. So we also started with the scrambled eggs now. This is going to be a very nice breakfast. All in all, the campsite is extremely well maintained with helpful and friendly management. The fire pit was cleaned daily, adding to the overall positive experience. I can definitely recommend it. Once again, thank you for watching our video. I hope you found it helpful and that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Happy camping!